Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Arjun.
I'm Krishna.
Stop. Today we're going to be going back to another MEL chemistry episode. Today we're going to be doing corrosion. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I see is two instruction booklets. One is electricity versus iron and the other is rust protection.
I want this, electricity versus iron.
That's rust protection. This is electricity versus iron.
Oh, I want this.
We'll see.
That's beautiful.
So there's got this color red, I guess.
Yeah.
Wonder where that will be used. We got some more stuff.
I did it.
More.
I did it when I went to 100 with this.
We have some table salt, I guess. Okay. We also have some petri dishes with lines in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay. One of them has a line. We also have this battery adapter for AA batteries with crocodile clips. And we got 4 black packets, some iron nails, some magnesium strips, some copper wire, and some iron strips. And last but not least, we got 3 wooden sticks.
Oh, I couldn't.
Okay. So, wait a minute, we are forgetting something. Oh yeah, the starter kit. We'll be needing this. Definitely don't do any MEL science experiments without this.
Yeah,
We're
this is
also going to be needing our beaker,
which is very
our
important
glass.
if you want to pour water.
We'll also definitely be needing these. No, my goggles.
Thanks.
Huh. Okay, now
we're safe for eyes.
Now
our
we
eyes
can
might burn.
Now we can get started. So first we're going to be doing the rust protection.
Then we're gonna do this. Iron. This is.
So what do we need for this? I'll just have a look at it. So we need obviously our beaker. We already have some water. We will be needing this purple chemical.
What is it called?
It's called potassium hexacyanoferrite.
R K3Fe bracket CN bracket 6.
That's just the chemical formula.
Oh, can I put it, please?
We're just gathering the materials. Hold on. So we'll be needing 2 iron nails. Let
Yeah.
me just get them.
Iron nails. Oh my gosh. They look so heavy.
And then what else do we need? One magnesium strip. Here it is.
Yeah. That's how.
And what else do we need,
That's
mister? We need one piece of copper wire.
Well, copper wire.
We just need a piece of it. How many pieces are there? Okay, there's more. So we'll just put it right here. And then, yep, we'll also be needing this. What else do we need? Salt. Table salt, they provided it.
But what is this green one with the green tag?
Table salt.
Any of this?
And then we'll also be needing the petri dish with 1 line. So
it divides.
And 1 spoon. Where is our spoon?
Can I take up the spoon?
Pass me the spoon, please.
And we have a tablespoon, and it has a tiny size.
It has tiny and big. So what do we need? We have our water, 25 ml.
Wait a minute.
Oh yeah, thank you for reminding me.
We almost forgot that and easily.
Yep, so that's everything we need. So first we will take our 25 ml of regular water. Wait, first let's just clear up a bit. We will take our table salt.
Yeah, we'll take our table salt. I don't know how to do this.
And have 1 big spoon. So we will just dunk it in.
Yeah.
And then I'll put the cap back in. Then we will be needing 1 big spoon of the potassium hexacyanopherite.
It's 1 by 1.
This is potassium hexacyanopherite, and go. Okay, good.
Oh, look, the color has changed to yellow.
Then
So
we
beautiful.
will cap it back in. Let's just try and ignore this and hope that nothing happens.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep an eye if it's still yellow. We need to put 3 big spoons of fennel red, and also it looks like orange juice because I could see orange inside.
Okay. Doesn't really look red to me.
Yeah, because I found something red, but it's not red.
It looks more like orange to me. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like orange juice. They're orange. Everyone knows that.
2 and 3.
Everyone knows.
And there, we'll just put this to the side right here. We'll put this on. So now we need to take this wooden stick and stir it for 30 seconds.
30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
We need to do is put 1 iron nail in one side, and then we take our magnesium strip and then wind it together with the iron nail. No, not that one, the other one. So what we need to do is just coil it around for some time.
The other iron nail. Looking about the other.
Yeah, this one. So then we just put it in.
But how do you know you must put the other nail?
Because that's exactly what they're showing. See, there. Now that we've got our thing here, we'll put the magnesium. And there. So on one side we have our iron nail, and on the other side we have our magnesium wound together with the iron nail.
It looks so beautiful.
Now what we need to do is take our syringe.
Syringe.
And then we take out 10 milliliters. No, but we need to be precise. Okay. I'm trying to equally spread out throughout the thing. Now, if I'm not wrong, it should start rusting. It's rusting. There's a greenish algae thingy that's growing on the... Yeah,
I could see it. There's a greenish algae.
it's not actually algae. It looks like algae. Now, we put it in. So, the metal nail should rust, but this should not. The metal nail alone should rust, but this one should not. Like
Why?
the one wounded.
Why not?
So if we look carefully at the iron nail that's alone, right here, we can see that there's this greenish algae thing that's growing around the iron nail. Basically anything that's touching the liquid. And if we go to the other side in which magnesium is wound by copper to the iron nail, we can see it is rusting, but there is very minimal rust. There is very minimal rust. This is because now let us see what happens if we cut this little
tiny little puny little bridge.
You can see it's rusting faster. See, it's rusting way faster than usual.
It's faster than the other ruster. You see, there's green.
See, it's rusted a lot, but if we turn it around, it should not be rusted that much.
Yep, it's been rusted.
This has rusted more than this part, because you can see that there are some parts which are that have their iron properties. Now I'll just put this right here. So the reason that the iron nail bound by copper connected to the magnesium was rested a little less than the iron nail standing alone. The explanation is that, first of all, iron rusts. So basically, the reason iron rusts is oxygen, in this case oxygen in the water, is like the oxygen in the water is taking away some electrons from the iron nail. But there are some metals that are very willing to share their electrons, and magnesium is one of them. When wound together by using copper to the iron nail using copper, like if we tie it together, the copper forms a sort of bridge. This shares the electrons to the iron nail, thus it will rust like slower. So I hope you liked watching this video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe, keep watching, bye.